This is weekly recap of trading week July 12, July 16. 20 entry points were given and 17 gave profits. If every trade were executed with $20,000 each, potential profit would be $11K. This is the best week in my trading career. So let's analyze every trade and let's start with the most profitable trade. Ticker EVGO. Price was at historical low 10.55 and on 5-minute chart. First of all, this is level 10.55 and I noticed that we had a reversal on a huge volume. You see this huge green candle. That was first sign that something is going on. Then there was several candles and last two candles opened and closed and didn't touch the level. So they were traded inside long zone. That was my entry point. And then happened this huge spike. After that a hold, then a gap up and about $13 long position was closed. Next ticker BBGI. If you remember, I analyzed this stock about 3 months ago in April and I said that I want to see this price returning to the $3 and making a breakout. Price this month had been approaching and made a breakout during the week. So let's see 5-minute chart. You see Monday started with a huge volume and huge green candles attempting breaking and closing above this $3 mark, but price could not hold this level. But I noticed that we had a strong uptrend on 5-minute chart, and second reason, we had a triangle formation. So about here, after price held to the level $3, long position was opened, and then several candles after there was a spike to 3.30. Previous attempts, BBGI could not break 3.40. That's why long position was closed during this quick scalp and then price sold off. Next trade, Apple, AAPL. On Monday there was a loss because there was a gap up and I said that in case of gap up that's a long signal. But in that case with Apple there was a mistake. Price closed the gap and I opened my long position in this consolidation. Of course that was a risky play and price reached my stop loss on this huge red candle. Next ticker is BARK. This week started under the level 9.57 and price opened under this trend line on Monday and closed under this trend line on 5-minute chart, and I consider this is a short signal because price even made a small gap down on Monday, and after position was open there was 100% correct thesis. Price made a sharp move to the downside and short position was closed with a profit. That was a trade number 1. Then next days price continued falling and on Friday I consider this starting of the day reaching the level 8.14 as a reversal point. But I entered my long position too early after this pin bar candle with stop loss 10 cents and next candle triggered my stop loss and then I didn't trade this stock. So 1 profitable trade and 1 loss. Ticker CSIQ. I made 3 trades during the week with this ticker on a short side and on a long side. First trade was on Monday because there was a clear range. Monday started with a breakout and a pullback to the level. Candles were not small, but that was okay because trend was a strong uptrend. So I got a position on this red candle approaching the level and then exited my position after this strong move to the upside. Next days on Tuesday, after this sell-off, at the beginning of the day, price closed under the level 41.70, made a pullback to this level from opposite territory, and that was enough for me to open a short position, and I got only 20 cents on this quick scalp and this huge red candle. And on Wednesday, my next short trade was after this sell-off. Price closed under the level 40.22, and then price returned, establishing a reversal hammer candle. So I opened position after this candle was closed and got also a 20 cents quick scalp on a short side. Next ticker plug PLUG, also profitable trade on a short side. Let's open 5-minute chart. Monday started with a huge sell-off and price closed under important level on 28.85, and after these two candles pullback, short position was opened, and after making a move about 30 cents, short position was immediately closed. Next trade gave a loss. Company Skills, ticker SKLZ. Skills continue falling. On 5-minute chart on Monday, there was a sell-off at the start of the day. Here it is, under the level 17.54, and after this consolidation, I considered this is a short signal. There was only one signal that was controversial. It's a huge tails to the downside. That looks like a reversal to the upside. But I opened a short position, and after price broke this level, my stop loss was triggered. Next ticker QSI. I made 3 trades with this ticker this week. Let's open 5-minute chart. All 3 trades were profitable. First trade on Monday, June 12th. After price made this sell-off, I considered that this is a time for a small pullback, because price almost reached level 13.13, and after these red candles, a long position was opened and I made 20 cents profits per share on this pullback to the upside. Then during the Monday, price returned under the level 13.13, and after this red candle with the tail that touched the level, short position was opened, and you see there was not quick but move to the downside, and I made 20 cents on this short trade. Let's go further. On Thursday, June 15th, price reached another level, 11.16, and established a double bottom on 5-minute chart, and after price approached to this level second time, long position was opened, price made quick reversal. I liked such a price action based of all, and of course with this quick scalp I took profits and closed my position. Next ticker I analyzed by myself during the week without a video, ticker FREY. This is a post-merger spec, and on Monday price traded around the level 8.81, and next price made a consolidation just under this level. You see 4 small 5-minute candles but under the level. That's a consolidation for a continuation. Of course, short position was opened with the smallest stop loss about 3 cents, and after that huge spike to the downside about 40 cents. For me that's a huge profit, and short position was closed. Next profitable trade, ticker ASPN, made a tightening with a triangle formation near the level 35.82. I made the profits on a long side, but you see that this week price made a false breakout and reversed. Let's see precisely. So on 5-minute chart on Monday there was a break after this sell-off at the beginning of the day. Then price returned and closed above the level without even touching it, and I consider that would be okay to jump on the long side even after these 5-minute candles above the level. But next, price established a consolidation and price finally returned above the level and established consolidation near the local daily high. And then there was a spike to whole number $37, and after that I closed my position with the profits, and of course I was very happy. Ticker FUV, also profitable trade, also on a long side, but if you can see on a daily chart there was a reversal to the downside. Let's open 5-minute chart. So on Monday there was a break of the support of this range 13.90, but then price returned inside the range, approached the resistance and broke above it and establishing only one 5-minute consolidation. I consider that this price action is rather strong to open a long position immediately. And after that, next candle, a huge 20 cents move that was enough to close my long position with profits. Next ticker is CLOV. I made 2 trades with this ticker. You see there was a triangle formation, and I said that I want to trade breakout one of the direction of this triangle. So on Monday price traded under the level 9.15, but then there was a spike on a huge volume. And I opened my long position far away from the level. That was risky, but I trusted the volume. And after making 20 cents move to the upside within 10 minutes, I closed my long position with the profits. Then price returned to the level. On Tuesday, it made a choppiness. After choppiness, price closed above the level again and established medium size 3 candles in a row above the level without even touching it. That's very important. And that was a long signal for me that these 3 candles established a direction. And after I opened my position, you see there was a quick spike, more than 20 cents, and I took profits. Next stock is Talk, ticker TALK. Let's open 5-minute chart. That was a trap for bulls. So price traded within a range 6.57 and $7. On Tuesday there was a false breakout of a resistance. That was a first sign for a direction, and on Tuesday there was a sell-off, then a reversal on a huge candle, and then there was a pattern. So considering the direction of the price, I opened a short position with a stop loss 10 cents. And after this sharp move during the whole day, short position was closed with good profits. And last trade, ticker OTLY, you see that there was a V-shaped formation and it finally closed, and price even established new historical low. Let's open 1-hour chart. You see that there was a support, then it became a resistance. Price reached historical support and broke it. And on 5-minute chart on June 14th, on Wednesday, price traded within the tight range. And after this choppiness and false breakouts, I didn't open my short position because yes, there was a reversal, but there was no safe entry point. Then price returns to the support, established this consolidation. I waited for several small candles close to the level and I got them. You see, these 2 candles, about $20, was enough for me to open a long position, and after it price made 50 cents move and I of course took profits. Why I traded for a long side? Because price fell several dollars before this day. So that was not okay to wait a continuation of falling. I waited for a pullback and I entered a long trade because I traded my pullback thesis. In my next video I will make a stock chart analysis to trade for upcoming week.